Hey guys, Shel Sullivan here. Welcome back to my channel, my backyard. It's been a while since I've set off any of my homemade flash powder unconfined. Or a lot of my firecracker experiments are unconfined, but this is just a Dixie cup with 10 grams and just a hole and a fuse. And that's all. Simple, simple. Gonna run the GoPro over here at 240 frames per second. See what happens. What do you think? Is it going to report? I think it will. Smoke ring, baby. I don't know if the camera caught it, but it set off a killer smoke ring. Smoke ring, baby. Just a quickie while I'm working on my shop the next couple weeks, so I don't know where anything's at. I don't know where my scales are at. I actually mixed that by this eye, 7.3 to 3 ratio. Potassium chlorate and German dark aluminum powder. Couldn't find my digital scale, but I did a pretty good mixing it by eye because that reported very well. Super fast. Remember, I make these videos to entertain and educate, not for you to emulate. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Shh.